Should get all pushed in there tight. Because sometimes I'll get a little oxidation in there, and then it won't work. Let's see if it starts up now. And it starts. So it's either the fact that this relay has a little bit too much resistance on it, which it can affect your circuit that way. So we'll try it now and see if it still has that problem before we go too far with it. We're going to make sure it works, but that's kind of a good sign that it did get something going here anyway. So the way these come off, there's little pins in the back. I don't know if you can. So let's show the couple little hooks there, and on the back there's a couple corresponding little tabs, and then this end just slides in and snaps in, and it's there. I noticed on a donor car there was more fuses in the other one, like some fog lights and stuff. This one don't even have the connectors in there, so the other car had a few more features in it. So that's kind of where we're at now. Hopefully this works. We'll start driving it a little bit and see. And at least it did start up.